AI videos are everywhere right now on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You can see endless videos are getting millions of views. Today I'm showing you how I built fully automated meme AI agent using Canva and n8n. This thing literally wake up every morning and write a meme and design them in Canva, turns into then video. And also they can upload uh, them on your social medias without lifting a finger. And just one click you can generate thousands of memes for your post, for your social media. Before we started, let's quick show the results are getting. In this tutorial I will walk you through every single part of the workflow in n8n, from trigger, APIs, JSON structure, to connecting Canva, to connecting YouTube. By end of that, you will be able to build your own meme AI agents from scratch. Before we start it, let's quick cover the tools we are using on our project of meme AI agents. And then for the workflow automation, the brain of the operations. You mean to say we used n8n for workflow automations, and the brain operation we are use OpenAI models to write a meme, and also we can use Unflash AI API. Sorry, Unflash API to find out the perfect image or videos. And also we can use Canva API to automate our design and format them into the video. Don't worry if you don't have pro features, we will give it you. And also you have a YouTube API to upload without any manual mode. We can use YouTube APIs for uploading. I'll show you how to connect all of this step by step, note by note. And the best part is no code at all. All you need to know, just drag and drop like that. If you are new here, I'm Rakesh. I'm the founder and CEO of GenCore AI. So let's start it. First, you come back your dashboards, then you create your workflow. After create, add your first node. We can add a schedule trigger for scheduling our annotated. It's run every morning at 9 a.m. so that mean is ready before most people are wake up. And also you can test anytime by clicking execute your workflow. Then we can use next is basic LLM chain. It's a brain operations. So you can go ahead, connect with your reference model. We can use ChatGPT 401 mini to generate the meme. So I wrote a custom prompt to this AI model to generate 5 memes on your niche or on your topics related, so that we can give it a prompt like that. Write 5 short memes, maximum 10 words related. Write 5 short memes, maximum 10 words related it. to ChatGPT or AI, AI news, and also business and technology. Or if you want to customize your or you prompt, it's uh customize you because it's a right meme. It's you can replace it on your needs on your keyboards if you want to. After that, you can execute that. After that, you can output in a format. We can use output structure start. It's give it me as a array keys and values so that we give it that. After that, we can execute our workflow. The AI is structured into the array of our name. Then it's give it me 5 memes related on our niece so that we can use in a later now so that we can save it. Then we can split out node for split them into get 5 separate item, one of each meme. So we can output into that meme. After split out, we can now use them to generate image so that we can request HTTP request to Unflash AI to generate image related on our niche so that we can use Unflash API to search good images for our meme. We can go developer.api to get API key. We need we need to create a apps for using this Unflash AI so that you can create your then you can copy your API key. Then come here HTTP request. We search images. We need a random image. We need random and with we need with custom image. We can use this API. Yeah, and also it's document all of the things we need. That's you can use that URL Unfresh this photos that random. It's give it me random image related on our niche so that we can parameters we topics username and query when want to query on your niche related you can give it your topics and how many uh, images you need you can add through this API. You can read on the base of we need 5 images on my images and 1 page query data. But query we can query this output. We can customize it with that. How many words we search on that API. Become big. We can split out in that. It's give me one words to search on, and we can send header also. Send header, and we can find the ID. We come to our APIs and flash image. Then we can copy our access key from here. This is the access key. Copy and paste it here. Then execute it. Its work. It's search or related monies and give it the image also. Images. Then we can extract all of the data from the JavaScript functions. Note, we can get HTTP request. We can get extract this data come from. We can find only images and how many memes related, and we can write like that functions. We need memes from the memes, and we need image from unflash APIs. That image, we can find out 2 images. After extracted all data, you can write functions. Then you can execute your workflow. It's give you the memes and image array related to our meme. After get all the images and memes, then you can download these images and we can get HTTP request to download the image. As you can see, they come as binary data. Then use them for uploading purposes. We can execute. It's give me the binary data and the data format. It's give me a binary data. Then we can upload them into our Canva. So we can use them to make our design. We can use for uploading. We can use Canva API. We can go first HTTP request for uploading purpose. How I upload? We can go to Canva. Canva.developer. We can go Canva.developer. It's give me a full documentation how we upload in Canva. It's give you a documentation how you upload, how you design. It's give you full access. And design, add your tags, shape, images, vectors. But you can add your authentications. Also, you can export and query everything you can do with your Canva. So we can go the documentation page. Documentation connect API. So that you read the assets. We can upload assets. We can post requests with this URL. We can post this request. We need to choose our Canva API to upload the images, so we need to first make a request. We can get a post request method, make it on this URL, and for the authentication we can choose generic type. We then choose auth 2 for the complete setup. For the complete setup of this authentication, I have step by step on how to do so. So in my school community, you can go ahead and join it if you want to learn how to connect those API with your Canva voice authentications. We need to create our apps, so that we can create our app. Creating the apps, then come here and copy this client ID and paste it here, and secret ID also copy here and paste it here. You can connect this for the also for header also we can get from this content type. We need asset upload metadata. We want give this header and copy and paste this on your request. HTTP request. Copy and paste it here. And content type, you can give it your content type, application dot octa stream. Then after all you done, send your body. For sending your body, we give it a binary data to upload them into your Canva. We can use full data, then execute it. It's uploading. It's uploading. It's uploading. Then we can use then we can check this upload is complete or not, so that we can find the progress ID, it's success or not. So I had to wait for a 15 second for them to finish. Then we can get progress ID. Then we can make get HTTP request for get progress ID using this API Canva dot rest assets upload JSON job ID. This using we can get get progress ID, it's success or not. Then we can use on our autofill to make our design. So authentication also we can give it generic type request it. It's gives me a 5 data success. Call the data was related our mean. Us to extract code node to extract all the memes and also progress ID of our assets. Then we can use them into our autofill to make our design. Memes, and it's give me of all the progress IDs also. We can map it all the ID and minims. After that we can make HTTP request. After that, uh, uh, after that, take all the data extracted or generated and use them into our Canva API to create our design. So we need to first make HTTP requests. Then we need to choose post method. Then we make it authentications. We will choose generic type. Then we can choose method or two for the completion of setup of authentications. I had step by step onto our school community. If you want to join, you can learn it how we authenticate in Canva and n8n. Okay, join straight. After setting up the authentication, we need to send the header also, the content type of application dot JSON, and we need to send a body. Inside the body, we will be use the brand template ID. Brand template ID, and inside the brand template ID, make it HTTP request. We can make like that memes. We can search it, design your meme. After that, we can design also memes. We can also make this meme. We can also make this meme. You can choose your related memes, and after you can click it. Customize your meme templates. Then we can use the autofill options to create. We can generate also. You go to your band templates and go to here. We generated this memes. You can see on our YouTube channel this type of meme we can create it also. Also the music, and see that we can use autofill options. We can give it a guided. Create your autofill. Then you can publish your autofill. It's give me a template ID. We use them onto our n8n node. So we can documentations, API connect, then we can go to field this autofill. We can also generate type. We can also auto and Canva. Then we can give it the content type. We need content on JSON, applications on JSON. For the body parameter, we need to give a template ID. In previous section, you see that how we get our template ID. Copy and paste it on your n8n. Then we can go for data. We set our data to make our design. We set image data type. We give it an image, and we have text data also. Text data. We can give it a type is text. You can check our name, how we name it. Name convention is important in our data field options. We can we use okay. We use asset type is asset.id. It's come from this ID. And the meme for that it's a text. We can leave it meme message meme dash message. It's a type is text. Type is a text. It's basically they told me that what you will be sent in a quote or meme type. We can text, copy and paste it here. You can own your text and replace it in your JSON code. Then we can execute it. 15 seconds, get the data, then it's give it me all the progress ID, and also the progress ID. We can get this progress ID for waiting for that. For that, we can wait for 15 seconds to get our progress ID. Or it is in progress. If it's success, we can uh, that's it's a return array of jobs or progress ID, because this is created our autofill job, and the status, as you can see, is it in progress mode. So we can wait for a seconds. We can wait 15 seconds depending on how you long your design. You can if you depending on how long your design is. If is if it is long video, you will wait for long time and more time. After that, we need to get fields field designs. After 15 seconds, they are or they will get completed or success. Basically, that's all. They are all you now is ready to create. We need to export them onto our design. We need to start to export our jobs. Then we can make a request of export requests. We can add 15 HTTP requests to get progress ID, so that you can come to check Canva API. How to get you can come in that documentation. It's give you how we get this data. Use autofills. Autofill. It's get autofill data. If it's progress, we can also wait for 15 seconds. We can also give it a check. It's a success, then it's completed your job. If it's success, it's completed your jobs. Same as you can use before. And basically it's will use a design ID, and design ID will be coming from the previous node. You can see here. And for the format we will choose MP4. We can choose whose and quality and export quality. Basically you can find all of those on your documentation for exporting and create exporting job. This is what we need to design ID. And the formats, you can you have look at into the format, because it is format for the example. The MP4 required for quality. And yeah, you can go ahead and look your documentation, choose whatever you want. We need to choose MP4 vertical 720 export. I choose it pro or regular. We cannot use regular. Also I place the batching so that we don't hit your rate limits. As you can see, he dropped, they were started. Okay, this vertical, everything is there. You can choose it whatever you need wants. Export quality also you can export. Wait for 15 seconds. It is progressing now. Then we can the the design ID, export ID. It's export success or not, so that we can check our exports. If it's not success, we can check it with our this job ID. Then we can give it the authentication key. Yes, also generic type and auth 2 API. Job ID. After that, if it's after that, we can download that. That we can check also if it's not success or success. If it's all success, we are one can get all the datas. We can use if node. If it's not success, this job ID. Okay, job ID. Okay, is job ID success? Then it's go forwarded. If it's not success, then if it's not success, it's loop over. If it's success, let's go to your social media for uploading your images. Downloading images, we can request HTTP if it's success. If it's not success, it's success. We can download them. Let's give me the all the all the uh, memes you can check here. Reels of how it's looking good. Then we can upload them. Then we can wait for 15 seconds. If it's not so, then you can return to get design ID. Then let's go to that and download that, and then it's upload to our YouTube channel or our social media. It's great. We are build it our first meme AI agent. Yeah, we can build it our meme AI agent. You can see here. You can give your title also. Split out this title, and we can give it the hashtags also. We give it everything. We use the country we are used in India because we are live in India. Genre we can give it as comedy genre, and then we can also give the tag also. Yes, we can generate it our meme agents in just a minute.